Alright, this one's going to be on KCC, stands for, what is that, Kindle Comic Converter. So let's open up here. So real simple, is just a GUI to convert comic books to Mobi files, which is what the Kindle uses. So basically, real simple, you select your device here. So right now I'm using the Kindle Paperwhite version 1, or version 2 is the same thing anyways. And what you want to do in the options, you want to stretch and upscale it. And this one will get rid of the annoying white borders or white frames around it. I'll show you that in a minute what I'm talking about, but this is how you get rid of it, alright? And now you just add the files that you want to convert. So I have two CBR files here. You can do CBZs or whatever it is, alright? But let's open this here. And we'll hit convert. Real simple, right? So let's do this job. And the two things you need to install, I'll show you that in a minute here after it's done converting. It's pretty quick. It doesn't take that long. Well, I guess it depends on your computer, but it's pretty quick for me. So it's done, real simple. And if you want to install this, probably not in your, well, I'm using an Arch and it's in the AUR here, but search for Kindle. And you actually need to install two things. This KCC program, and I think this one is just the front end to it. So maybe it has some settings or something like that. But the back end, you actually really need to. This one's called Kindle Gen. And basically this is the command line tool that will allow you to convert to Mobi files or AZW, whatever the Amazon shit that they use here. So that's the two things you need to install. Pretty simple. And now we have our files here, right? These two files that we just created using the Kindle Comic Converter, right? These two Mobi files, and we're gonna host that. But let me turn on the webcam first here. Turn on this webcam. All right, and oh yeah, we need to. What the hell is that? We need to do is host this on the SimpleHTTPServer. Basically, we're hosting this file so we can actually download from our Kindle. Alright, so this one is hosted on port 8000. Okay, and anyways, this is what it looks like here. Oh yeah, let me show you an example of what I was talking about earlier though. This is the comic that we had. I think I did it last video or something, but this one was converted by Caliber, right? And I'll show you what I mean here. You see how the what was that? This picture here, it has this white border or white margins, white frames around it, and it's really annoying. I mean, the screen's already small, but they're taking more real estate from you doing this. And I tried all the settings in Caliber, and at the moment they don't have a an option to get rid of it. But this is what I'm talking about. See? Right, just white frames or borders around this, and it's really annoying. But with the program we just use, let's see here, let's go back, and what we're gonna do is go download it. And the way that we download it is that we're just gonna download it from our SimpleHTTPServer here. What the heck? Go to bookmarks, damn it. I mean, you can type out your IP up top if you want, but I already have my bookmarks, and it should be the last one here, right? The last one says SimpleHTTPServer, and that's on this computer's IP, and it's on port 8000 that we're hosting it on. So that's what we're gonna go to, and here we go. This is our files. This is what it looks like when you're using the Python HTTP server. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I'll post you a video on that because I did that a long time ago. But you can see that we have our files, and we're going to download those two Mobi files there. So let's do that here. Mobi. Okay, we'll download it. Doesn't take long. And we'll download the second one. Okay. And it's done. Alright. We officially sent it to our or we download locally to our Kindle here. Now let's go back home here, And here are the two files, the Saga issue 1 and issue 2. So let's go to issue 1 here. And you see, look at that. There's no more white, what was that, frames or margins around it no more. Let's go to another one. Look at that, complete, right? Go to another one. Look at this. No more of that thing, right? Let's check the other. What was that? Issue 2. Let's go to issue 2. Why not? Look at that. No more of that shit. In the future, I really wish Calibre would, you know, fix it so that I don't have to use another program like this. But right now, this is a good temporary solution in my opinion. I really still want to use Calibre because they have, you know, a good database to keep all your comics and books organized. So I still want to use Calibre, but at the moment, if you really want to, you know, maximize all your space when you're reading on your Kindle, this is the tool to use. I'm not sure if everything on this is open source, but it's in the AUR and you can go use it. Anyways, that is it for this one to fix a little annoyance that I got today.